flooding is forecast. Where? Schoharie Creek and Burtonsville. When? From this afternoon to tomorrow evening. Impacts at 7.0 feet. Water reaches Priddle Camp Road. Additional details at 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Friday. The stage was 6.1 feet. Forecast: the river will rise to 6.9 feet late tonight. It will fall below flood stage again early tomorrow afternoon.
Bro, 15
Flood
minutes?
stage is 6.0 feet. http://www.weather.gov/safety/.
2:30 on this.
Flood.